Hi, today I'm going to show you how to reverse animation in Blender. There is one really simple method that I use so often in my projects, so I would like to share this method with you today. Okay, but before we start, I recommend you to subscribe my channel to stay up to date with my videos. And now let's start from beginning. So here we have simple animation. So first we need to do is go to animation settings. How you see, we have here a simple animation created. It looks like that. So if you would like to reverse this animation, I recommend you to select this option. It will let you to include channels from objects that are not visible. So we need to select this option. It needs to have blue color. Okay, and now we need to change position of this element to 0. It is very important. Then we click on the keyframe and we need to click A from our keyboard. All keyframes will be selected now. We know it because all dots are yellow now. And now we need to press S from our keyboard and we need to type -1. Okay, then we click left mouse button and we need to drag these keyframes above 0. And now our animation should be ready to use. So if you click play button, you can see that animation has been successfully reversed. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.